Students, this is class number 48. In the last class, I proved this first identity. Now I am going to prove the remaining. You take second one, tan x minus y LHS. So write LHS. So tan x minus y. So tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. Tan x minus y can be written as sin x minus y by cos x minus y. Sin x minus y by cos x minus y. Now you write sin x minus y formula. For sin you write mixed formula. For cos you write non-mixed formula. Sin ಗೆ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೀರಿ. ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ sin ಗೆ. sin cos ಎರಡು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ sin ಗೆ. cos ಗೆ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. So tell me sin formula. sin x cos y. sin ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್. sin ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್. cos ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್. sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. So come to denominator. Cos x minus y. Tell me cos x minus y formula. Cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Again for the same reason, we want 1 for this place. How do you get 1 for this place? You divide by same term. Divide every term by this much. So you go for dividing. So divide by cos x cos y. So divide every term by cos x cos y. Now you tell me sin x cos y. Sin x cos y by cos x cos y minus cos x sin y by cos x cos y. So all divided by cos x cos y by cos x cos y plus sin x sin y by cos x cos y. Now simplify this. So cos y get cancels. Come to this. Cos x get cancels. In this all terms get cancels. Here no term is getting cancelled. You write the remaining. Sin x by cos x. Sin by cos tan x minus sin y by cos y tan y. So tan y by, so all terms got cancelled. All terms got cancelled. Tell me remaining 1 plus sin by cos tan into sin by cos tan into ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ into ಇದೆ sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta tan theta. Sin theta by cos theta tan theta means tan x into tan y. We proved RHS. Similarly, you go for proving cot x plus y and cot x minus y. I prove this cot x plus y. You only prove that last one. Last one ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡಿ. So third one ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, last one ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡಿ. So right, you take that third one. So right, third one. So cot x plus y. Now cot theta. What is cot theta? Cos theta by sin theta. Cot theta means cos theta by sin theta. That is cos x plus y by sin x plus y. You write cos x plus y formula. Cos x y. Mixing is not allowed in cos. No mixed. In sin it is a mixture. Mixture of sin and cos. Cos there will be no mixture. In cos, if it is plus, it becomes minus on right side. If it is minus here, it becomes plus on right side. In sin, if it is plus, even on right side also it is plus only. If it is minus here, even on right side also minus. Cos x plus y. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Sin y. Sin x plus y. Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. You decide where that 1 is required. For this place 1 required. Since 1 required for this place, according to the question, each job ke 1 ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ you divide every term by this quantity. So divide by sin x sin y. So divide by sin x sin y. Cos x cos y. Cos x cos y by sin x sin y. By sin x sin y minus sin x sin y by sin x sin y. So divided by sin x cos y. So by sin x sin y plus cos x sin y. So by sin x sin y. So right, simplify this. I think so here, so no term is getting cancelled. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ. cos x by sin x ಸರಿ ನೋಡಿ. cos theta by sin theta. What is cos theta by sin theta? Cot theta. You write cot x. Cos x by sin x. Cot x. Cot x. Cos y by sin y. What is cos by sin? Cot y. Cot y minus sin x get cancels. Sin y get cancels. It is 1. So divided by sin x get cancels. Again cos y by sin y. What is cos by sin? Cot y. Cot. Sin by cos tan. Cos by sin cot. Cot y. Plus. So sin y get cancels. Cos x by sin x. What is cos by sin? Cot. Sin by cos tan. Cos by sin cot. Cot x. Cot x. I hope you understood this well, students. So let us move on to next slide. Students, let us go for proving some more important formulas, basic formulas. In addition to learning how to prove, by hearting is also important. Let us prove that first one, sin 2x. Solution. First one, sin 2x. This can be easily proved by using sin x plus y formula. So tell me sin x plus y. Sin x plus y. What is sin x plus y? Sin x, you write mixed formula. Sin ಬಂದಾಗ sin cos ಎರಡು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Cos x sin y. Very simple. How do you get 2x? Just replace y by x. Put y is equal to x. You are going to get this formula. Y ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ x ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಸಾಕು. put y equals x. Just put y equals x. You will get that first formula. You will get that formula. Sin x plus x, y means x, is equal to sin x cos y means x plus cos x sin y means x. Yes, x plus x 2x sin 2x. Look at this. We have same two terms. These two terms are one and the same. Just like monkey plus monkey. If I add monkey plus monkey, total monkeys, two monkeys. Here monkey na add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Two monkeys. Monkey plus monkey. Count the number of monkeys, two monkeys. X plus x, 2x. Y plus y, 2y. In that way. Sin x cos x plus sin x cos x. A into b is same as b into a. A into b ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ, b into a. 2 into 3 is same as 3 into 2. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 2 sin x cos x. I hope we proved that first formula. Now let us go for proving second one. For this cos 2x, we have three formulas. All the three formulas are very important. ಮೂರನ್ನು ಬೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ನೋಡಿ. ಸರ್ ರೈಟ್. cos x plus y ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. cos x plus y. So right, what is cos x plus y? Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Cos x plus y means cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Put y equals x. Put y equals x in this. So you will get cos x plus x is equal to cos x cos y means x minus sin x sin y means x. Cos x into cos x, cos square x. Look at this, students. Cos x whole square is same as cos square x. We write cos x whole square as cos square x. Cos x whole square is not equal to cos square x square, not equal to cos x square. Correct ಗಮನಿಸಿ. cos x whole square ಅಂದ್ರೆ cos square x ಅಂತಾನೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. cos x whole square ಅನ್ನ cos square x square ಬರೀಬಾರದು. cos x whole square ಅನ್ನ cos x square ಅಂತಾನೂ ಬರೀಬಾರದು. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದು ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಈ ತರ ಬರೀಬಾರದು. cos square x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ? cos x into cos x ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಅದೇ ಅರ್ಥದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಬರೆಯೋದು. ರೈಟ್. Now cos x into cos x, cos square x, it is cos square x minus sin x into sin x, sin square x, sin square x. Cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. Now let us go for proving. So these two. So right, second one. So right. Now, so you take that one only. This time we proved cos 2x equals cos square x minus sin square x. Consider. And now look at this, students. We already proved this basic identity. Sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. We already proved this basic identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is always 1. From this, you set cos square right side. Cos square ಬಲಗಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 minus cos square x is equal to sin square x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. What is 1 minus cos square? Sin square. R. ಇನ್ನು sin square ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ. 1 minus sin square x is equal to cos square x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಎರಡು ಕಾಣ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. ಕಾಣಲು ಬರ್ತಿದೆ. sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From this, 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ. 1 minus cos square sin square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 minus sin square ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? cos square. ಇವೆರಡು ಬೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇವೆರಡು ಬೇಕು. What is 1 minus sin square theta? Cos square theta. 1 minus sin square x, cos square x. 1 minus cos square x, sin square x. Now you go for. So this implies cos 2x. First you write substitute for cos square x. Once you substitute for cos square x, you will get one of them. Next, keep this cos square as it is, substitute for sin square, you are going to get one more. ಒಂದು ಸಾರಿ cos square x ಹಾಕಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಾರಿ sin square ಹಾಕಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. What is cos square x? Here cos square x is 1 minus sin square x. Cos square x means 1 minus sin square x minus sin square x. So now 1 minus sin square count total it minus 2 sin square ಕೂಡಿ ಅವೆರಡನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು minus 1 ಎಷ್ಟು -2 -1 add it is -2 -1 into -1 becomes +1. Here it is not multiplication, we are not doing multiplication, adding. Minus sin square minus 2 sin square 1 minus 2 sin square x. We got one more. Next again consider same formula. Cos 2x is equal to cos 2x minus sin square x. Now keep this cos square x as it is, substitute for sin square. What is sin square x? 1 minus cos square x. Cos 2x cos square x minus, put bracket. What is sin square x? 1 minus cos square x. Multiply by minus cos 2x cos square x minus into plus -1 minus into minus plus cos square x. -1 minus into minus plus cos square plus cos square 2 cos square x minus 1. So 2 cos square x minus 1. I hope you understood, students. It's right. Okay, let us stop this class. Thank you.